In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a custom domain in Vercel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can safely disconnect a domain without surprises. Start by going to Vercel in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, head to the area where your project's domains are managed. You'll see a domain section on the right side of the interface. This is where Vercel lists every domain connected to your project or team, along with its status and configuration. Opening this section first gives you a clear view of what's currently attached before you make any changes. If you have a lot of domains, use the search bar to quickly find the one you want to remove. Typing a few characters is usually enough to filter the list down. This simple step helps prevent mistakes, especially if you manage multiple subdomains or similar names. Next, find the domain you intend to remove and click Edit next to it. The edit view is where you can see details like DNS configuration, whether the domain is set as primary, and any connection issues. It's a good moment to confirm you're looking at the correct domain and to note if it's tied to production traffic. If it is, removing it will immediately stop traffic from reaching your project at that address, so plan accordingly. When you're ready, click Remove. Vercel will typically show a prompt to confirm the change. This is a safeguard to help you avoid accidental removal, especially important if the domain is public-facing or used in automation. Finally, confirm by clicking Remove Again. After this confirmation, Vercel disconnects the domain from your project. The change is immediate on the Vercel side, though you might see a short delay if you're refreshing dashboards or logs. Keep in mind this action does not delete or change your DNS records at your domain registrar. If you need to repoint the domain elsewhere, you'll still have to update or remove the DNS records with your DNS provider. Also note, if the domain was set as the primary domain, your site will fall back to its default Vercel URL until you assign a new primary. That's it, you've removed the custom domain from your Vercel project. If you're moving the domain to another project, wait a moment for the detachment to fully propagate, then add it in the new place. And if you don't see the option to remove, double check your permissions or whether the domain is managed in a different project within the same workspace.